How to check if your Google passwords was leaked. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can check if your Google or Gmail passwords has been compromised using the Google's password checkup tool on your computer. So for that, you need to go ahead and use the Google Password Manager. So open a web browser, Chrome is recommended, and then go to passwords.google.com. You will be taken to the Password Manager section. Here you will see the list of passwords that you have saved on your Chrome. Go for the password checkup or go directly to passwords.google.com/checkup. Tap on check passwords and the Google will scan your saved passwords and show if any have been compromised, reused, or are weak. So if any passwords has been compromised, follow the Google's advice to change them immediately and enable the two-step verification for added security. So make sure that you always use the strong, unique passwords for each website, and also turn on the two-step verification for your Google account by going to myaccount.google.com/security and use password manager like Google Password Manager, which is built into the Chrome. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.